Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Many times we have heard around us there are so many people who keep on gossiping. They talk about this person, that person, about anybody. But remember, people who gossip with you also gossip about you in your absence. Be careful, that is why they are telling you about somebody else. Same people will be talking about you in your absence with some other people. So, gossiping and telling lies are closely related. They are just like the two sides of the same coin. A gossip listens in haste and repeats at leisure. A gossip never minds his own business because he neither has a mind nor a business. Because he doesn't have a mind or he doesn't have business. His business is only gossiping. A gossip is more concerned about what he overhears than what he hears. Even when he hears about somebody else, he just passes it on. He never checks whether he has heard the name correct, incident correct, whatever it is. Gossip is the art of saying nothing in a way that leaves nothing unsaid. Someone said it well. Small people talk about other people, mediocre people talk about things, and great people talk about ideas. So remember, we should be great people. We should think about talking about ideas, not about gossiping and all. Gossip can lead to slander and defamation of character. People who listen to gossip are as guilty as those who do the gossiping. Even the one who listens is equally guilty as the one who speaks. A gossip usually gets caught in his own mouthtrap. Gossip has no respect for justice. It breaks hearts. It ruins lives. It is cunning and malicious. Dirty thing it is. It victimizes the helpless. Gossip is hard to track down because he has no face or name. Even if you ask him, he will tell, no, I didn't speak. He will, because he tells lies also. Or he heard like that. He will never show me, this man told me like that. So it tarnishes reputations, topples governments, wrecks marriages, ruins careers, makes the innocent cry, causes heart attacks and sleepless nights. The next time you indulge in gossip, ask yourself, is it the truth? Is it kind and gentle? You have to ask these questions whenever you indulge in any gossip. Is it necessary? Am I spreading rumors? Do I say positive things about others? Do I enjoy and encourage others to spread rumors? Does my conversation begin with don't tell anyone? Can I maintain confidentiality? All these things you have to. So refrain from indulging in gossip. Remember, small talk comes out of big mouths. And you are knowing, these rumors people speak just to spoil somebody's life. The same thing happened with me also, I will tell you. When I was newly married, one of my husband's aunt was speaking to someone else. She was speaking in such a way that I will be able to hear it. That my husband was having some girlfriend or having a relation with some other lady. She has a name, nothing. Then I asked my husband, I told him I overheard she was talking like this. He told, forget it. If I am having anything, I will tell you first. And I knew that because for many years we had a good relationship, we lived well and all. Afterwards I understood him, but when I was newly married, knowing it creates a lot of mental torture, I can tell you such words. So there are people who just create rumors. He told, I don't have any relationship. Or she might have seen him with speaking to any lady. See, I speak to other gents. In the same way, he too has the right to speak others. When you are working outside in the office and all, you have to speak to the other gender people as well. It doesn't mean that when you speak to the other lady means you are having the relationship, or simply she might have created, God knows. But actually he was not having anything, such things, which I later realized. But this is the way how people indulge in gossip and they spoil the life of others. No doubt because of such things people will have sleepless nights. Not only that, if it goes on for long, they may even get some diseases like BP, sugar, this and that. That is why we should not indulge in gossip. And even if you hear someone talking about you, you directly ask to the person, is it like this? I heard that such and such a thing. Be clear. That is what I have followed in my life. Even my son follows the same thing. Even in the office, he tells that if there is someone talks about someone, he calls both of them and on their face he clarifies the things. So if we are like this, straightforward, whatever, let anyone speak about your near and dear ones or about you, what you do is directly ask the person that I have heard such things, what is it? Or even if someone asks you like that, don't feel bad. It is good so that nothing will remain in your mind. Otherwise, what happens? If we don't speak it out and if it remains in our mind, we will be bothered and we will be just having turmoils in our mind. Instead of that, we have to free it up. We have to clean it up. Whatever it is, call the person and ask, is it like this? I heard that you have told like this. And even if someone has told, call him also and ask in front of him only, so that everything will be clarified. Otherwise, we are having so many people around us who will try to spoil our relations. They feel that if they tell something like that, we will fight among ourselves. No. We never do like that. We always ask person, is it that you told like this? I heard like this. So that is why the third person will never have a chance to create any skirmish between you people. That is why we should not do gossip. Even if we hear someone, if it comes till us, then you should clarify it. Have a nice day.